you who recognize him? King. Okay. So this is the former king of Thailand. His Majesty Bhumibol Adulyadej the Great, or Ramanai, who sacrificed all of his life to improve the quality life of Thai people. His Majesty initiated thousands development projects aimed at improving the living conditions of his people, such as self-sufficiency, to be not greedy, reduce passion, moral sharing for the society, and the conservation to achieve the balance of nature, and also the importance of environment. And lastly, he supported all religions equally for over 70 years until now. So everyone, these are some great examples of people who left good things into this world, including the Chinese philosophers. And their goodness are also their purpose of life. So what about us? So in the fifth thread of life, we were going to explore a life purpose. It is true that different person has different purpose in life, and no one can tell you what is yours or what is mine. However, we hope that the stories of self-development are on the outer columns here. It will help us to guide, to define what is our life purpose somehow. First, now let's proceed to the fifth thread of life. Let's start to the first column here. Okay? And there are also nice books that can really relate to our life. So the first column here explains the concept of people we choose to associate with determine a lot where I'm going in life. So this picture represents a showing here, abusing the other man is a symbol of how a bad person can influence others to do bad things. And below, it represents a man reading a book is a symbol of a good person doing good things. So if we are associating with good people, it will lead us to do the same thing. So it is our choice. Okay, next example of a bomb beside here.
Thought about when you say to God, take it down.
So this is a symbol of young people paying respect to an elderly who seems kind and generous according to their faces. Respect to each other. While on the side, surround yourself with people who follow to become a better person. So here, it represents a group of people with a kind faith who is a symbol of nice society where people can finally find their happiness. So if we are surrounded with nice people, we will get happiness, right? Are you still happy?
Yes.
Alright, thank you for being happy. You can see this column represents representing a relative of a project. The picture to show of one man to make her the order by violence. You can see that. Opposite side, we show also the deep walk. Next one here, thinking what we have before spending our money. So this is a symbol of people growing vegetables and fruits instead of buying them into market. So this represents one way to be self-sufficient, saving money. The next one, learning is an endless journey for everyone. So here, it represents a man reading a book is a symbol of a great learner. So there's a really nice one here. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. Alright, that's the way something here. And it goes the saying, be careful with your words. Once they're said, you can be only forgiven, but not forgotten. And below, taking care of elderly parents. So here, it represents the daughter providing for your father in a son to So this is a symbol of gratitude towards our parents. We should also take good care of our elderly parents. Last example, okay, and then we proceed to the picture of life. Okay, explain it.
No.
Okay, so next one here, taking care of your partner is a great way to create a one family. So here it represents husband taking care of his pregnant wife, and the wife provide food to her husband. So this is a symbol of how a married couple treats each other, respect, love, and look after each other. Or as I read this as an example of a life purpose in which we want to be in the future. Next, we're moving to the picture of life, the two opposite sides of the society, the good side and the bad side. Are you still okay? Okay. Okay, just a few examples today. I'll just give you a few examples and then let's proceed to the last part. Okay, so this one here, the opposite side of the society. All outer columns here represent bad society. In the inner column, good society. And the reason establishing this part here, because we want to reflect how a society will be like if every one of us will follow the self-development principles in the fifth truth of life. And how a society if we just ignore those principles. So the first column here, this is society full of inequity. And let's treating two bridges. This one and the other one. So here, it is made from bamboo. And this was built for the poor people. Down here, it is more sober and beautiful. And this was built for the rich people. So why to build two bridges if they can only use one? So those are the people who never treated each other equally. The other side, society full of justice. So here, it represents father distributing his properties to children equally. Boy or girl, young or old, it is equal. There is no favoritism at all. Okay, next example here. So everyone here. Okay, next one here. This is a society full of blame. So here, it represents a picture of people who have a lot of arguments, representing a picture of children who accidentally destroy the man's car. But instead of asking sorry or ask forgiveness, they just walk away. And one more here, two men crashing the boat. But instead of helping each other, they are still fighting and blaming each other. So those are the people who never admit their mistake and never say sorry for their life. So the opposite side, this is society full of forgiveness and apology.
This is a big challenge.
Alright. Okay, so this is society full of forgiveness and apology. So same situation here. Two men crashing their boat. But what is the difference here? What can you see about the picture? Helping each other. Lending a helping hand to each other. Even though they have conflict, but still, they are helping each other. And those people out there, they learn to accept their mistake and ask forgiveness when they do bad things. So again, the good side here, the bad side. Just two more examples here, okay? Alright, that's all everyone. We're almost done. It's right here. Okay, so next one here. This is society lack of appreciation. So here, it represents a picture of people who are being ungrateful and hurting their supporters or benefactors. Instead of helping them back, they denied it. And this man who took everything from the nature, but never cared to give back. So if keep doing like this, there's nothing to be left to the future generations. While opposite side, society full of gratitude. So here we can see the picture of people who are being grateful, thankful and taking care of the supporters or benefactors, taking care of the animals, paying back to the nature by replanting trees. And the last example, society full of dissonance. Okay, so here, let's take a picture of people who have a lot of conflict and they cannot be in unity. People showing unfriendly faces, holding weapons and ready to fight each other, taking advantage of each other. While opposite side, society full of harmony. So right here, we can see the picture of people working and helping each other peacefully without any big problem. So everyone, these are the opposite sides of the society. Inner columns here, the good society. And the outer columns here, bad society. And hopefully we will find which society do we want to live in. But of course, which one? The good side or the bad side? Good side. Of course, every one of us want to live in a good society. But we cannot expect other people to be good to us if we not do it in ourselves first. So everything starts from ourselves. Okay, so the last part, the seventh year of life, let's proceed to the small room. Okay, just 2 minutes, right? It's good under the small room.
Okay, everyone, it's very business way. If you want to visit the museum, I'll give you, okay, everyone, so you go inside. When you get in, you can go inside the museum. My tour is done already. I hope you enjoy wonderful in my tour. You can stay here until 6 p.m. to taking a photo. Don't worry about time. And also, everyone, could you write something on the Facebook to me, please? What do you think about this place? Okay, what the wooden sculpture to reflect, and you can apply it out your life. Okay, and if not, you can understand the
Okay, so everybody is here, the last part of the seventh year of life. What do you think it's all about here? Any idea? No. Okay. So the seventh year of life, it's all about the family, the beginning of the society. So this is here the smallest part of the museum, but it has a very big meaning in our life, the family. Which means a family is our first guest, first teacher, first food, and our first friend. And when we say family, it does not only represent our biological family or by blood, but also for those who we love and care, like a partner, friends, co-workers, or neighbor, we can consider their family as well. So this family sculpture here represents the sacrifices of our parents. They teach us how to eat, sit, how to stand, and how to run. And those pictures of the ceiling, okay, please come inside here, go inside here, and then hold your helmet. Inside here. You cannot say that. Okay, hold your helmet. Those pictures represent of our parents. The first one, who gave us birth, right? Number 2, who take good care of us. Number 3, provide us education. Number 4, teach us how to be a good person. Number 5, protect us from bad people. Number 6, support us to get a job. Number 7, support our marriage life. And number 8, the last one, they give us their properties to ensure future life will be good. So everyone over here, the main concept is to remind us the sacrifices, how kind and tolerant our parents have been through it as well. That without them, we are not in this beautiful world, and we will not who we are right now. So we must be thankful, grateful, respect, and love our parents. They might not be perfect, but they're doing the best to give us the better future. So the last one here, this is the original founder of this museum, Kunlek Waryapan, the original founder. And the opposite side, that is his wife, Pattaya Waryapan. But both of them already died 20 years ago. But the legacy still continue to the new generation. And I would like to share the last message of the founder. He said that we cannot change the world, but we can change ourselves. Alright. Okay, so everyone, before I let you go around for taking pictures, I have something to give you back inside from the founder. Okay? Let's get inside. Alright, let's wait here. Okay, careful here.
สองด้านหรือสังคมสองแบบซึ่งมีทั้งด้านที่ดีและด้านไม่ดีที่หนึ่งของเรานั้นจะเรียนรู้จากสังคมและปฏิบัติแบบไหนและก็เจ็บหัวนี่คือแนวความคิดในเรื่อง